Hey guys, I'm back with another video, but this is just an update video, okay? Just an update video, because yesterday I couldn't do a video, and it said my thing was my battery was too low, so I couldn't do the video for the whole day. So that's weird. But have y'all seen my new video? I really hope y'all liked it. So it's just a update video. This is still an update video, so if y'all don't want to watch it, I could just delete it. So tonight in middle of the day, I'm gonna be uploading a video again. And then at nighttime, I'm gonna be uploading another video. So I'm gonna be getting new intros. So that's my update video. Bye guys.